Okay mga paps, may bago tayong order na dumating. Ito. And we bought it online for only 190 pesos. Here it is. And this Bluetooth wireless device model is V9S, and we have just received it today. Okay, let's open it up and see what it offers. We are going to test special features of it. Okay. It is bubble wrap as expected. Oh, this is the product. This is oh, it has a manual inside. Let's open it up. Comes with the plastic pack. Open this up. Wait. Okay, we have managed to open it up. This sealed wrap. Test the unit. Charging cable. No extra earplugs. It has also a manual. And on a Chinese, as it is made in China, and it has an English. Okay, let's see the product. Of course, it has a volume, and it has a power, a slide type power, not a touch switch. Oh, it's light up. We are going to test the transmission. Capability of it, and as a vlogging mic. Just wait, we are going to connect it, and let's see. Mic test, cell phone check, mic test. Okay, we're gonna test this Bluetooth sound sampling. I'm on a about 1 meter. I'm on about turning back in. It was disconnected about 10 meters and has uh, somewhat lesser noise cancelling capability, but in terms of price, this is a cheap Bluetooth. Okay, the review has been done. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like and hit that notification bell. And thank you for our subscribers who support this channel. Thank you very much. And this is Kabasic channel. Maraming salamat po.